Storyteller, Episode 9. Anton Chekhov, The Lady with the Dog. Opening. In the resort town of Yalta, where the sea whispers secrets to the shore, a bored, lonely man notices a young woman walking with a small white dog. What begins as a simple holiday flirtation slowly becomes one of the most beautiful and heartbreaking love stories ever written. This is Anton Chekhov's masterpiece, The Lady with the Dog. Introducing Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov, playwright, doctor, master of the modern short story, wrote with stunning simplicity and emotional precision. He explored ordinary lives with extraordinary compassion. The Lady with the Dog is often considered his greatest short story, a quiet revolution in how literature portrays love. Setting the scene: Yalta, a world of escape. The story opens in Yalta, a holiday town on the Black Sea where people come to escape their routines. Among them is Dmitry Gurov, handsome, sophisticated, bored with his marriage, convinced that women are a lower race. Yet he spends his life chasing them. Enter Anna Sergeyevna, the lady with the dog. One evening, Gurov notices a young woman, quiet, elegant, wearing a simple beret, always accompanied by her little white dog. She is Anna Sergeyevna. Married. Lonely. Unhappy. They are two strangers searching for meaning in a world that offers them none. The affair begins. Drawn by curiosity, Gurov approaches her. Conversations follow. Walks by the sea. Then, one afternoon, in a secluded cove, they share a quiet, spontaneous intimacy. But afterward, Anna weeps. She feels guilty, ashamed, lost. Gurov tries to comfort her, but he believes the affair will end as all his affairs do. He has no idea how deeply this one will change him. Departure and unexpected longing. Anna soon returns to her hometown, leaving Gurov behind. At first, he feels only mild regret. But back in Moscow, among his routine of clubs, work, and family, something begins to gnaw at him. He realizes that Anna's voice, her sadness, her gentleness, follow him everywhere. For the first time in his life, Gurov is not simply remembering a woman, he is missing her. The journey to find her. One winter morning, unable to bear the emptiness, Gurov boards a train and travels to Anna's provincial town, without warning, without invitation. He finds her in a theatre, sitting beside her stern, oblivious husband. When she sees Gurov, her face fills with shock, fear, longing. A secret love reignited. Anna meets him secretly. She confesses that she has suffered every moment since they parted. She still loves him, desperately. They decide to continue seeing each other in secret. And so begins a hidden world shared only between two hearts. Double lives: Moscow and the truth of love. Back in Moscow, Gurov leads a double life. On the surface, banker, husband, father. Inside, a man consumed by a love he cannot name aloud. He meets Anna in hotel rooms, in quiet corners, in the fragile hours between duty and desire. For the first time, Gurov understands what it means to love, not casually, not selfishly, but completely. The emotional revelation. In a heartbreaking moment, Gurov realizes that he is no longer young, no longer cynical, no longer untouched. He has discovered tenderness, and with it, suffering. He understands that Anna is the only real part of his life. The ending: painful, beautiful incompleteness. In the final scene, the lovers sit together and confront the reality. Their love is real, profound, but trapped by circumstance. They cannot abandon their families. They cannot be fully together. Yet they cannot live apart. And they realize that their story, the real ending, has only just begun. Themes and interpretation. The complexity of love. Chekhov shows love not as passion, but as awakening. Loneliness in everyday life. Both characters are surrounded by people, yet profoundly alone. Moral ambiguity. There are no heroes, no villains, only human beings navigating impossible emotions. The search for meaning. Love becomes the only place where sincerity survives. Closing reflection. The Lady with the Dog remains one of literature's greatest love stories, not because it offers answers, but because it captures the truth. Love is rarely simple, rarely perfect, but always transformative. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.